Hi. So, as some of you know, I've just been away on a 3-day workshop about throwing moon jars, which are large, beautiful jars made in two parts, which requires handling large weights of clay. And when it comes to doing that, centering large lumps of clay can be quite difficult. So I am going to show the way I know of centering big lumps of clay in as many parts as you need to do in order to find it easily manageable. I have to say I learned this from Matthew Kelly on Matthew Kelly Pottery. You can find him on YouTube. He's a star. Anyway, so I'm just going to get on with it because I don't want the video to get too long. So I'm centering the first lump of clay now. This is going to form the bottom of a moon jar when I've added another piece to it, but I'm going to center this one first. So this lump here weighs about 1.75 kilograms, which is a bit over 3 pounds. So that's that first piece centered using the usual techniques of coning up and then coning down whilst applying pressure so that the clay does what you tell it, not what it wants. So that's the first bit centered. So I'm now going to prepare to put another piece on top of it. So what I'm doing is creating a slightly domed shape, a convex shape, and I'm going to refine that with the metal rib. So using the metal rib also takes the surface moisture off. So there's no wetness on that surface now, and that needs to be the case if you're going to reliably add another lump. You need clean, dry hands to get the next lump of clay. Here's my second lump, weighs about the same. So together these add up to about, I don't know, 6¼ pounds, I think. So I've placed it in the centre. I'm pushing it down. Wasn't very well placed in the centre, but I'm gonna go for it anyway. Add water. Cone up. Cone down. And as I get to this point here, my left hand, I start to grip both parts of the lump, the top and the bottom bit, so that I can start to treat them as one. So basically now, this is a single lump of clay and it's centered. There are only two tricks really. One is to make that convex surface to put the second ball down, which must be dry. And the second thing I would recommend is making as good an even round ball to put on the top for the second lump. I am almost always successful doing this. I would recommend it. It's certainly much easier than trying to push around a bit of clay that you just know really is too big for you, is beyond your capabilities. I'm going to dry my hands and then stop the video. I hope this was useful. Or enjoyable if you're just watching for fun.